Wow, Bitcoin has pumped again. So let's just go straight into the charts and talk about this. Bitcoin just keeps going up. All right, so Bitcoin here, we can see had this big pump, went sideways for a while, but now we've seen another nice pump here all the way up to 23,400. Just a few weeks ago, we were down in the 17, even 16,000 range. And so we've seen a huge pump here. Now, are we going to go higher? Let's zoom out a bit. If we look on the daily, we can see on Friday, we just saw this huge daily candle to the upside, this breakout. And yeah, it looks like this bull flag we were talking about has broken to the upside. So, it's pretty much reached the conservative price target, but are we going to see the full price target we were talking about? If we zoom out more, our full price target, the most optimistic price target, is up around 25,000, where we have this next resistance level. So maybe we'll pump up to that. We'll see. It also lines up with the EMA ribbon. If we bring that up, lines up with the top of the EMA ribbon, where we should see some strong resistance. So we have some nice confluence there. So maybe we'll get up to 25,000 here this week. We'll see if this pump continues. That is the price target, but there are also some bearish signals we have to pay attention to also. Oh yeah, but if we look on the daily ribbon, here's a very bullish signal. Daily ribbon has flipped big time, huge flip here. We're still way above the ribbon. So this looks like it's going to be a confirmed flip. And every time we see the daily ribbon flip bullish, it generally indicates a huge uptrend coming. So maybe we're going to see an uptrend all the way up to about 30,000 or so here over the next few weeks or months. But as far as bearish signals, we do have to pay attention to. So on the daily, we have this slight bearish divergence here forming. So that could lead to a reversal. Also on the 4-hour, we have a bearish divergence as well. So got to pay attention to that. So maybe we'll see here pretty soon, we'll see a reversal back to the downside, a slight retracement. I think at some point we are going to, let's get rid of this ribbon. We're going to have to, well, we don't have to, but I think it's likely we're at some point going to come back down and retest our support here at 19,000, where we had this strong support. So good chance we could come down, retest 19,000 before going higher. We'll see if we can get up to 25,000 before then and then have the retest, or what's going to happen. But I think this was the bottom of our bear market here, back here in November, 15,400. I think that was the bottom. It lines up perfectly with what we've always seen. Every previous bear market has hit its bottom around 12 to 13 months, and that's exactly what we saw here. So this does look like the bottom, especially because we're seeing so many bullish signs, this bullish divergence on the weekly. We're now seeing that start to play out, starting this uptrend here. So it's looking like this is the bottom. What do you guys think? A lot of people are still super bearish, calling for 10K Bitcoin, which people have been saying for months now. But when everyone's bearish, that's a bottom indicator. So I think this was the bottom. I've been saying it for weeks now, and I think we're going to be heading up this year and over the next. I think we're going into our 3-year bull market. So we'll see. We'll see how this plays out here over the next few months. But here in the short term, we'll see if this can continue to pump higher up to 25,000, maybe even all the way up to 30,000, where we have strong resistance, or if we're going to see a retracement here and retest this support at 19,000. I think that's likely to happen at some point. Maybe we'll get to 25,000 and then have a retracement, a retest. If we come down to retest 19,000 and that holds as support, then I think around 19,000 would be a great time to accumulate some more crypto, because this is the best time to be accumulating crypto. What I've been saying since June, I've told you guys I was dollar cost averaging all throughout here, bought more down in the $16,000 range. So, I think that was the bottom, and just keep accumulating this year as well. And over the next couple of years, we should make some massive gains. So, there will still be dips. And so every time we see a nice dip, I plan on accumulating more. So if we see a dip down to 19,000, I think that would be a good time. But we'll see. We'll see if we can get this pump to continue all the way to 25 first, and then see a retracement or what happens. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, it's looking